Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing good. Are you ready to level up your coding skills, master data structure and algorithm, and unlock your full potential in Java programming? Well, in that case, you are at right place. I'm Jenny, and I welcome you to this exciting video where I'm going to tell you all about my brand new Mastering DSA with the Java course at jennyslectures.com. But stay tuned till the end of the video because I have got a special discount just for you. All right. Now, why this Mastering DSA with Java is the course you have been waiting for? Let me tell you, this course is not just another set of boring lectures. It is an advanced and supercharged learning experience, specially designed to help you to become an expert in Java and data structure from scratch. Whether you are a first year student, second year, third year, or even final year student, or a working professional, and you want to sharpen your skills, or just a school going student like in 11th or 12th, this course is for everyone. Now I know you have probably tried many other courses and you must be thinking how this course is different from other courses. There are so many courses. So let me tell you about some amazing features that you will get in my course. First, we will cover everything from scratch. When you go to the website and check you go to the courses and you check the course content, then we will cover you will see that we will cover everything. First Java, then we will cover DSA, like this: Introduction to Java Programming, and few lectures we have already covered, right? So, everything you will get from scratch: Java basics, then Java collection, multi-threading, Lambda expression, then socket programming like basic networking with socket, and then we will go for DSA, basic DSA, then advanced DSA, then algorithms also like hash map, algorithm design technique. We'll cover almost every technique: dynamic programming, backtracking, recursion also we'll cover, branch and bound, sorting algorithm, searching algorithm, advanced topics also, some advanced topics. Okay. Then projects, as well as we'll discuss some case study. So it's not just that theoretical portion we are going to cover. Every concept, every topic is designed to give you a practical experience. We'll cover some projects as well. So we'll go step by step and I will be with you every moment. Now, next thing is you will get my handwritten notes, my personal handwritten notes. You will get, you can see here, after every lecture you will get notes and ppts. So you can just download the notes and the ppts and you go through that. You can just download the notes and you can check out, see, you can just download the notes. Everything is in detailed manner so that you will not miss any single detail. Third thing, live Q&A session every week, once in a week. So no more getting stuck in the doubts. I will personally host a live Q&A session. As you can see, we have done many live Q&A sessions. Every week we do the Q&A session, and if you miss that live Q&A session, you can just go and watch that. I'll upload that also. So if you have any doubt, you have if there's any tough topic and you're not getting anything, you can personally, you can ask me, you can interact with me in that live Q&A session. And this thing you will not get in any course. Plus, we have quizzes, assignments. After every covering every chapter, you got a quiz and you can go and solve that quiz, and then you will get an assignment also. You go to download the assignment and you can submit your assignment. And we'll also discuss those placement questions, lead code questions asked in the top companies coding questions, right? So almost 200 plus placement and coding questions you will get here with solution step by step, like how this problem or this question can be solved. Next is a dedicated WhatsApp group. So you can join an exclusive WhatsApp group after enrolling in the course, and you can just directly contact with me. I will personally monitor that WhatsApp group. You can ask a doubt, you can interact with your peers. Anything if you want to ask, you can ask in that group. So trust me, you won't be alone in this journey. And guess what? If you are a complete beginner or someone who have already tried coding before, in this course, we are going to break things down so even the complex topics become easy to understand. And I have already told you what we are going to cover. First, the Java, the most powerful and in demand language in the tech industry, and DSA, basic and advanced DSA, algorithms, all the algorithm techniques and projects and case studies, and much more. So by the end of this course, you will be able to solve problem with ease, crack coding interviews, and even work on real life projects. So whether you are aiming for those top tier tech roles or planning to level up your career, Mastering DSA with Java course will get you there. And here is the best part. I want to make sure that everyone get a chance to join this game changing course. So I am giving you exclusive 15% discount on your purchase. So the coupon code is gift15. You can just apply this coupon code while enrolling in this course, and you will get a 15% discount on your purchase. Okay. So the relevant link, the enrollment link, and the details you will get in the description box of this video. But one more thing, this gift 15, this coupon code won't last long. This is for limited time period. So grab your spot in this Mastering DSA with Java course today. And let's make this year your most successful one yet. So now join the house of DSA and I'll see you in the course. Till then, bye bye. Take care.